Hello student of class 11th, once again we are here with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss about potential energy. This is the part of the chapter what we are discussing, work by energy. In the previous videos we had discussed so many terms. In this video we are going to discuss on potential energy. So bodies can do work by virtue of their position or state of strain. So we can say that energy in a body due to its position or state of strain is called potential energy of the body. For example, water at the top of a waterfall can rotate a turbine when falling on it, and this is the example of gravitational potential energy, means GPE. In the similar way, wound clock, घड़ी में चाबी भरते हैं हम, तो what we do, वाउंड क्लॉक स्प्रिंग कीप द क्लॉक रनिंग बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ इट स्टेट ऑफ स्ट्रेन. जब हम घड़ी में चाबी भरते हैं, या आपने देखा होगा छोटे बच्चों के जो खिलौने होते हैं उसमें हम चाबी भरते हैं, तो हम उसकी स्प्रिंग को के कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को चेंज करते हैं. तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वाउंड क्लॉक स्प्रिंग कीप द क्लॉक रनिंग बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ इट स्टेट ऑफ स्ट्रेन. और जब वो पूरी स्प्रिंग खुल जाती है तो हमारी घड़ी चलना बंद हो जाती है, या जिस टॉय को हम रन करा रहे थे वो टॉय रुक जाता है. मीन्स बाय चेंजिंग द स्ट्रेन ऑफ द स्प्रिंग द क्लॉक कंटिन्यूज टू गिव द टाइम और द टॉय इज कंटिन्यू टू रन. सो दिस एनर्जी इज नोन एज इलास्टिक potential energy. Elastic potential energy. Now in the similar way, electrostatic potential energy, if the two charges are there and both are similar in nature, both are positive or both are negative, so when the two similar charges brought closer, potential energy of system increases, because these two charges have same nature, they repel each other. So if we bring them against the repulsive force, then we are increasing the potential energy, means we are doing some work on this charges, because we are doing work against the repulsion, we are applying force against the repulsion. So the work is done in bringing the charge closer is stored in the form of potential energy. So we can say when the two similar charges brought closer, potential energy of system means two charge system, increases. And when the two charges of opposite nature, one positive, one negative, so these two charges attract because they have different nature, so this will attract. So when we pull them against each other, when the two opposite charges taken further away from each other, potential energy of the system increases. Now we have to apply force against the attraction. So whatever the amount of work we are doing to make them separate, that work is stored in the form of potential energy. So we can say when the two dissimilar charge or opposite charge, if we are moving away to them, we are making them further away from each other. In this case, the potential energy of system increases, and in the same way, when the two similar charges they repel and we want to bring close, then we have to do some work. In this case also the potential increases. So this is very important to understand. Think on it what I am saying. And this is the example of electrostatic potential energy. Now GPE, gravitational potential energy. If you see this example, this is a box, this is a block of mass m, and if this block or this body raised to certain height h, then what amount of work is done? That is F into D. F means force, and what is the force is there? The force is against gravity, means weight of the body, that is mg, and what the displacement the body has taken, that is in the term of height. So we can say that work done in bringing the body from bottom to certain height h is mgh, and this is equal to potential energy stored in the body. So work done is equal to force of gravity into height, and it is stored in the form of potential energy. Now from this relation In this expression, the gravitational potential energy on the surface of Earth is assumed to be zero. Means when we are taking the body at any level, so at that level we will think that the potential of system body is zero. And if the body falls back on the Earth, the amount mgh of work is obtained. Means whatever the work is done to bring that object to the certain height, the same amount of work will be we get when the body come at the same height from top to bottom. So if a body falls back on the Earth, an amount mgh of work is obtained. Next topic, potential energy of an ideal spring. Potential energy of an ideal spring, how can we find the potential energy? So if you see this diagram, for your convenience I had make this diagram here. So this is a spring and a block is attached to the spring. One end of the spring is attached with the support, any wall, and this end is attached with the body or a block. So this is the situation when the block is at rest, or we can say that this is the position of the block, and here we are taking x is equal to 0. In the second case, if the block is applied force F dash and it is displaced from the original position to distance x, means now the position from A to B. So the block displaced from equilibrium position A to B, means AB is equal to x, AB is equal to x. Now if you apply the force F dash, at the same time a restoring force also develop in the spring. जब हम यहाँ पर एक फोर्स लगाएंगे तो इस फोर्स के अगेंस्ट स्प्रिंग की तरफ या सपोर्ट की तरफ एक फोर्स अराइज होगा जो कि इसके अपोजिट होगा, और इस फोर्स को हम बोलेंगे रीस्टोरिंग फोर्स. रीस्टोरिंग फोर्स. Now this restoring force F is directly proportional to x. This restoring force is directly proportional to x, means whatever the distance we are making the body, the block in the x axis, the same whatever amount we are displacing the body, same amount of force we have to make on the block, and the same amount of restoring force also develop in the spring. So we can say F is directly proportional to x, and we are using minus sign here. So minus sign is that it shows that the restoring force is act against the direction of applied force. इस applied force के against में हमारा restoring force काम कर रहा है, इस वजह से हमने यहाँ पर x के आगे minus sign लगाया हुआ है. So F is equal to minus kx. In the place of this proportionality sign, we had used one constant, and this is k. K means force constant. This is a force constant of, or we can say spring constant. And now F is equal to minus kx. This is a relation. F is equal to minus kx. So what is this F? F is restoring force. This restoring force is proportional to the displacement. And what the minus sign shows? Minus sign shows that the restoring force acts against the applied force, means opposite direction of this applied force. This is very important. Now F dash is equal to minus F. F dash is applied force, F is a restoring force. They both are equal in magnitude but opposite direction. That's why we are using sign minus here, and it is equal to kx, or F is equal to minus kx we had seen earlier. Now what is work done? What is work done in displacing the block from position B to a small distance dx? So this amount of work is done, that is dw is equal to f dash dx. Now put the value of f dash here. F dash is kx, so we can write kx dx. So dw is equal to kx dx. Now the variable force f dash being taken constant for dx. for this distance dx, the force F, which is the variable force, is taken constant. So what is the work done? W is equal to, now we integrate this small work done from 0 to x, from initial position to the final position. What the initial position was, we had taken x equal to 0, and finally the block displaces to distance x. So this is the limit under limit 0 to x. Now kx dx, the value of dw is kx dx. Now what is the work done? Total work done. W is equal to, the k is constant, so we can take it outside of this integration symbol, so k is constant, and kx dx, तो ये वाला जो k है वो हमने बाहर कर लिया, और इस x dx को हमने इंटीग्रेट कर लिया, तो ये आएगा x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2। और अगर किसी को फॉर्मूला ना पता हो कि हम इसको कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो वो ये रिलेशन याद कर ले, x dx to the power n is equal to होगा x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Means whatever the power is here, you add 1 and the same thing will become here. So here the power of x is 1, so 1 plus 1 2, and here also 2. So this is the way how we integrate. So w is equal to kx square upon 2 0 to x, or we can write w is equal to 1 upon 2 kx square. This is the work done in stretching the spring to x distance. So this is the potential energy of stretch spring. And similar work done is there when the spring is compressed. When the spring is compressed, the same work would be, same potential energy would be in the case of compressed spring to the same distance. If you stretch it to distance x, the work done will be 1 upon 2x square, means this is the potential energy. And when you compress the spring, the similar work is done, or similar energy is stored in that spring, that is 1 upon 2 kx square for the same distance. Now in this video we have understand that what is the potential energy of the stretch string and what is the meaning of potential energy, and there is a different form of potential energy: gravitational potential energy, electrostatic potential energy, elastic potential energy. So all these terms you revise from your NCERT, from your reference book also, and derive this relation for the work done or energy in the stretch spring. Solve the questions from your NCERT chapter end question or in-text question, and if you have any problem then call me on my number or send message on the group. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.